My passion is how to make everyone move and lead an active life. So many people don't really stop and think what makes them capable of moving about and leading an active life during the day or during sport activities or during leisure activities. What really enables us to hold ourselves and have an active and mobile life is our skeleton, and in particularly our joints. Until we get to a particular age, or until we get injured, where we start getting some aches and pains throughout our bodies, our joints. And then we actually think, well, yeah, maybe we've taken for granted our skeleton and how important it is for our daily routine. Those very basic activities affect individuals with osteoarthritis. Our skeleton is composed of calcium phosphate, so it's very brittle. So as we move about and lead an active life and we have load constantly inflicted on our skeletons, it could potentially degrade because its brittle nature. What keeps it from degrading is that particular thin layer called cartilage that acts as a shock absorber to our joints and protects our skeleton throughout our lives. During osteoarthritis, this particular tissue is severely damaged and progressively destroyed. So really, cartilage in our joints is really responsible for the dynamic, longitudinal growth of our skeleton. This is something that we also study in our lab, and we also try to understand how we can control the effects of cartilage on our skeletal growth, and even use cartilage for therapeutic purposes as a cell source that could actually regenerate bone. I hope this information helped you understand a little bit more about our skeleton and our joints, and to not take them for granted, take good care of them, and know that there is innovative research that's being carried out at the Hebrew University to bring forth new therapies that will hopefully improve the quality of life of those affected by such joint diseases and will enable them to lead active, fulfilling lives.